Now children, here in this video I am going to explain you about the electrical resistance. What is electrical resistance? It is the obstruction offered in the path of flow of current by the conductor. And according to Ohm's law, we have a formula V is equal to Ri. So from here R can be written as V by I. So one definition you have got from here also, that the electrical resistance of conductor is the ratio of the potential difference to the electrical current flowing in the conductor. Now the SI unit is ohm. Symbol is this omega. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt per ampere is the SI unit of the electrical resistance. Now we have three types of resistances. One is called the fixed resistance, symbol is this. Second is called the variable resistance, symbol is this. And third is the variable resistance also, and symbol is this. And this symbol is also known as rheostat, which generally we use in the circuit of the Ohm's law. Now after that, here I am going to explain you about the factors on which resistance depend. So the factors on which resistance depend we will discuss here, and the first factor is the resistance is directly proportional to L. What is L? Length of conductor. And the second factor is that is R is directly proportional to 1 upon A. What is this A? The A is known as area of cross section. Okay. Now the third is R is directly proportional to temperature of conductor. Means if temperature increases, resistance of conductor also increases. And the fourth is R is dependent on the nature of material of conductor. Okay. Now from these two conditions, these two can be written as in combined form, R is equal to L upon A. Okay. Now remove the proportionality sign. Whenever you will remove the proportionality sign, a constant come in the expression, and here the constant is called the rho divided by L upon A. So R is equal to rho L by A. This is the formula you have got, rho L by A. Now this is another formula of R you have got from this condition. One formula you have a R is equal to V by I, and second formula from the factors. Okay. Now what is rho? Rho is called it is constant for the material and is called the resistivity of material of conductor. Okay. So this is called the resistivity of material of conductor. So this is another formula we have got from this condition.